Hello, blockchain community. In this video, we will learn how can we import an account from another wallet on BlocksPay. Access the BlocksPay wallet by unlocking it with a password. Once accessed, you will able to see the dashboard screen. First, you need to click on the account icon given in the top left corner. Click on the Import Account from Another Wallet option. Here we can import a wallet by using a KeyStore file or with a private key. For now, let's go with the private key. Enter your private key string here and click on the Import Account button. Now enter the extension that is BlocksPay wallet password and click on the Import Account button. This way we can import account with the private key. Let's try with the KeyStore file. Same way, access the account and then click on Import Account from Another Wallet option. Select the KeyStore file option. Now select the KeyStore file. Note, make sure that the default KeyStore file names often begin with the UTC. Enter the KeyStore file password and click on the Import Account button. Now enter the extension password and click on the Import Account button. Successfully imported an account with the KeyStore file. Thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends and family.